guys, this is that same vlog video again. Nandito para mag-vlog ulit at para i-share sa inyo ang new adventure at amazing place dito sa Chef and Table dito sa Dhaka, Bangladesh. Actually, 3rd days of Eid na bimisita kami dito sa place na to. Napakaganda, napaka-amazing. Very nice place dito sa Chef and Table dito sa Tinsupit, Dhaka, Bangladesh. Please watch this video and I hope na magustuhan nyo. Kung bago ka lang sa channel ko, please like and subscribe my channel para update ka sa mga vlog video ko. Thank you for watching and please subscribe. This is Tasim Vlog again. We are working with my friend here and Venezuela, actually Chef Phil Misping Bangla, ang channel niya, YouTube channel. We are working here and ang napakaganda ng place dito sa Chef and Table. We walking this place. Papunta kami dun sa go-kart car racer. Actually, this amazing and adventure this place. Napakaganda, napakalinis at may air fresh dito. Mapipil mo kasi at least maraming tao kasi Eid day. Maraming bumibisita. Gusto nila makakita ng good adventure and amazing place na para siyang jungle pero it's okay. Maganda siya. At least kakaiba at adventure ang dating niya. Andito na kami dito sa go-kart racer. Please stay tuned my channel and please watch this one at makikita nyo ang amazing place dito sa Tinsupit, Chef and Table dito sa Dhaka, Bangladesh. Medyo malayo-layo at least travel kami ng 30 minutes by CNG. Actually we have two family. We have my friend is Venezuela and with family, his family. Para mapunta kami dito sa Chef and Table na to na para makita at para naman kakaibang place na mapunta namin. At actually dati napunta na kami, hindi lang naman ako nakalibot. Itong araw na to nailibot ko siya at napakaganda, ang malaking lugar. Nakakawala ng stress. Please stay tuned and watching my channel. Itong video na to na sana naway magustuhan nyo. With me, with Venezuela and me, Tasik Vlog video. See, we are waiting here we order our lunch or food. Habang naghihintay kami ng order namin for lunch, ginawa na rin namin mag-picture taking at mag-grounding, walking. Habang hinihintay namin ang aming order, yan, nakaupo kami dito sa table, yan, nag-uusap kami. At ando na yung family namin, nag-banding sila at yung mga batang yung anak namin ay nag-ikot-ikot sila kasi para makita nila ang buong place ng Chef and Table dito sa Tinsupit. Napaka-amazing, napakaganda at kung sakaling nandito kayo sa Bangladesh at pwede kayo mamasyal dito sa place na to at hindi kayo mawawalan na at least mag-enjoy kayo. Hindi kayo magsisisi sa place na to. Napakaganda, napaka-adventure na malinis at may air fresh. Ang presyo na yun, tapos na ayun, pupunta kami after lunch namin. Habang hinihintay namin ang aming lunch, ito nag-walking muna ako, picture taking, ayan, para malibutan lahat. At habang hinihintay pa namin ang aming order, bawat isa kasi matagal ang order, ginawa na yun, naglibot-libot muna kami at para mag-picture taking at libutin ang buong Chef and Table sa Tinsupit na to. At least maraming tao kasi Eid, lalo na Eid. Maraming nagpupunta, maraming nag-order ng food. Yan. Andyan na with my children, with family, visiting now. The time na to, na-receive na namin ang aming order. Ngayon, mag-start to eating lunch. Order already arrived. Yun, we eating now para mag-lunch. After ng lunch, pupunta ka maglilibot-libot kami. That one. So many good food, tasty, but expensive, but we can afford the food. Okay? Thanks for watching. Wow. Nag-enjoy kayo sa mga food namin at masasarap. Enjoy. Kahit mahal, at least naka-lunch kami. You see? We are all complete two family with my friend, his family, my children and my children friend, all. We are taking picture again and again. After we eating lunch, nandito kami sa go-kart racer, dito sa race car. So, simpleng upo lang, nag-picture taking, syempre, part of remembrance para at least may memories kami sa place na to, dito sa shipping table. Please, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel kung update ka sa bagong video ko. Nice post. Ang galing, no? Naghawa na picture, nakaupo ako dito sa car na to. And then, I following my children kung paano sila
Masyado kang busy kasi. Ayan, nabuksan mo na.
Hindi, nakalock siya. Yung camera lang nabuksan. Mubarak. Third day of Eid. Nandito kami sa chief table. Dito sa Pinsapit, ha?
Chef.
Pinsapit.
Chef.
Nandito kami chef table. Pinsapit.
Haba naman ng meeting nila.
Hello. Ganda na dito. Guys, nandito na yung kami sa Coca Racer dito sa I start the video again sa aming tatlong girl na tapos sila, pwede sila yan. They start to sit now this car, this Ripa, this Rochelle. Na nakakuna sila para magsimula sila. Kaya ba nila? O go lang.
Nara ওই লোকগুলো ঠিক করবে। ওই লোকগুলো ঠিক করবে।
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel para update sa mga bagong video. Thank you and Eid Mubarak again to everyone. This year 2025 April 2. Thank you for watching this Tasing Vlog video again. Thank you and please like and subscribe my channel para updated ka sa bagong video. Thank you for watching. See you again in my next video.